Once upon a time, in a bustling hive, lived a little bee named Buzz. Buzz loved to spend his days collecting nectar, but he also loved to spend his earnings on sweet treats immediately. One day, Queen Bee announced a plan to build a new, bigger honeycomb to store more honey for the winter. Each bee had to contribute. Buzz realized he had spent all his nectar money. Feeling worried, Buzz approached a wise old bee, Elder Bloom. Elder Bloom advised him to save a little bit of nectar each day instead of buying treats right away. Buzz took Elder Bloom's advice. Every day, he collected nectar and saved a portion of it in a special dewdrop bank he found. It was hard resisting the urge to buy honey drops, but he was determined. Slowly, Buzz's dewdrop bank started to fill up. He felt a sense of pride and accomplishment he had never felt before when he spent his money instantly. When the time came to contribute to the new honeycomb, Buzz proudly poured his saved nectar into the communal pool. He had enough to help, and he learned a valuable lesson about saving. From that day on, Buzz continued to save a portion of his earnings. He still enjoyed treats occasionally, but he understood the importance of saving for the future. He became a role model for other young bees in the hive.